each half term. To welcome you back, to remind you of our expectations, get us all settled into how we think when we care and how we work, and our expectations and our core values. Welcome to your second term. So you've had a lovely chance to get settled in. Hopefully you feel you've had a really successful first term. I know from my point of view as head teacher, I think you've been a real credit to us as a school, King's Meadow School. You made a really good start, excellent year. We look forward to seeing you through your whole 5 or 7 years. Had really good attendance. I think I'm right in saying it was close because you're able good as well. Like you had the best attendance out of all the year groups. You were in for more days, and every day you come in, you learn that bit more. You've had the first lot where your sort of key assessments when you first came in. You've got another set this term coming up, so you'll be able to find out how well you've progressed. You've got your reading tests coming up as well, so we do the STAR reading tests, so you can see how far you've progressed with your accelerated reader. So you'll really start to see some of the academic achievement happening now as well. And I've got real faith in you as a year. You're doing incredibly well in your time in King's Meadow School. So I'm hoping your second term is at least, actually no, not at least as successful, more successful. And that's what I want to talk to you about. So, it's a new year, but I don't know if any of you made a New Year's resolution. Has anyone made one? Because I don't really believe in them, to be honest with you. Not a huge fan of New Year's resolutions. Just because there's some arbitrary point in the year that someone chose, that they've decided is a time when people should be new and be fresh. And we all make a big resolution and we resolve to do something huge and make a massive change in our life. And usually by about the 15th of January, it's all gone, we've forgotten about it, it's had no impact. Don't believe in big resolutions. What I do believe in is something that I've learned from a really sort of upstanding, well-respected man. Someone who I feel we can all learn from. And that, of course, is Colossus. If in doubt, learn from Colossus. What I say? Colossus says something in the Deadpool film, which you're not allowed to see because it's a 15. But what he says is 4 or 5 moments. That is all it takes to become a hero. Everyone thinks it's a full-time job. Wake up a hero. Brush your teeth a hero. Go to work a hero. It's not true. Over a lifetime, there are only 4 or 5 moments that really matter. Moments when you're offered a choice to make a sacrifice, conquer a flaw, save a friend, spare an enemy. I'm not here to tell you that you're all going to become a hero, or you all need to join the X-Men. I took a bit of advice from Colossus and I've changed that slightly. That's what Colossus says, this is what Mr. Barrett says. Yeah? Mr. Barrett says, 1 or 2 decisions a day. That's all it takes to improve your life chances. Everyone thinks it takes a huge change. Change your personality, get new hobbies, ditch your old friends. Not true. Every day there will be 1 or 2 small decisions that you can make matter. Small decisions that will add up to big improvements in your life chances. This is my challenge for you this term, yes sir. Is every single day, look for those 1 or 2 moments where you can make a decision that will have that little impact. Small impact. But over time, every day, you make those positive decisions. Just once or twice a day, that's all. Those positive decisions will build up and build up and build up and have such a positive impact on what you'll be able to do and what you'll be able to choose for the rest of your life. I've had some ideas. Feel free to have your own and to do whatever you think. But every day, look at them. These are mine. No surprise that I've listed them under our core values. Integrity, resilience, respect. You get those 3 things right, you get everything right. But these are the sort of decisions I'm talking about. So when you get your homework, just that one piece, go, do you know what? I'm going to do this straight away. I'm going to do this tonight. I'm going to put in real effort and genuinely get out of this homework everything I can. and not just rush it last minute. Copy up your friends in the canteen beforehand. Seen you. Be calm and quiet in corridors. Just walk. You shouldn't need a member of staff staring at you all the time to make sure you behave correctly. Integrity is about just doing the right thing. So keep the corridors safe. Just walk. Try not to bounce off other people. Keep your hands to yourself. And that will also mean that the start of your lessons will be a lot more productive, because you'll be arriving in the right mindset. Think about that on the way to and from school as well. We had a couple of little incidents the first half term, but I haven't had any really bad reports about things in the community recently. The bus drivers report that some of the other schools have had issues with, but not so much at Kings Meadow, so I'm really pleased. Let's keep that up. Think about the expectations you have for you at school. Keep those expectations up as you walk into school, get the bus to school and home again. Resilience. Come in every day. It's miserable out there today. The day felt like a duvet day, I bet you. But here you are, you come in, you're in for that first day. Let's keep that up. Those days where you think, I'm not sure if I'm well or not, let's push ourselves. Because every day you're in might just be the day where you learn that one or two little things that make a massive difference to your exam results and your future life chances. But yeah, I'm not an ass. There'll be times when you don't understand. It's actually difficult sometimes to admit that you don't, because you look around and you think, I think everyone else knows this. I think we've done this before, but I still don't quite understand. When you ask for help, that doesn't mean you've given up. It means you're trying to find a new way to succeed. And there isn't a teacher in the school, a member of staff in the school that won't help you if you put your hand up and ask in the right way. Stay back and say, oh, this is the time when I can come and ask you about this. Is there a way you can help with your homework? I'm not sure. When you ask, that'll help you move forward. So do that. Make those difficult decisions. Be on time. Get here on time. But also within school, make sure that as soon as that bell goes, you move the quickest, shortest way to your lesson. Because the start of every lesson, I ask our teachers to do a thing called connect, where they go back over old learning. And sometimes it takes 2, 3, 4 times before something really sticks in your mind. And it might just be that that first 5 minutes of that lesson is the bit one that matters. So make sure you get there on time. Do that extra bit of revision. See, you've got key assessments later this term. Little sort of pretend little exam, not pretend exams, internal exams. So just start to revise, go back over work. Do that extra little bit where you think, you know what, I don't really want to. I can just leave it tomorrow. But actually push yourself. You know, I'll just spend 20 minutes looking back over that science work. Or that geography work, or that maths work. For respect. We're not all perfect. We don't all get it right all the time. I understand that. But what I would ask is, what we do here at Kings Meadow, we give opportunities to correct the behaviour. And I would ask that you take that opportunity at the first chance. So when a teacher in the class has gone, hang on a minute, shouldn't really be doing that, take that as an opportunity to put your behaviour right, stay in the classroom. If you do end up in the corridor, that's a problem, because first you disturb your learning, because you're missing minutes of learning, that might be vital. But also, there's 15, 20, 30 other students in that room. And their learning is going to get disturbed when the teacher has to come out and focus on you. So really try to make sure that your behaviour is correct in the classroom. When you do something wrong, just put it right as soon as you can. We'll all get on. Be kind. Just do something nice. Do something nice at home, help your parents, your carers, your family, do the dishes. Just be nice to someone in school. Be nice to your teacher, do something nice to the head teacher. Clean his car, maybe not do that. But also, don't escalate. As I say, sometimes things go wrong, sometimes people don't behave quite right. But if someone bumps into you, someone calls you a name, just walk away. Don't escalate, don't make it worse. Just think, you know, on this occasion, this one decision, this day, I'm just going to walk away from that. I'm not here. When you're at home, talk to your family, talk to your parents, talk to your carers. Every day, tell them something you've learned that day. Just say, hey, do you know what I did in school today? You know what I learned in the English lesson? Every day. It's just the process of you telling somebody something that you've learned, telling somebody something that they probably don't know will actually help you as well, help you load your learning and your future chances. So, my final message to you, not about the big resolution, not about the giant change in your life, absolutely not. One or two small decisions a day to improve everything. Thank you very much, Year 7. Have a really good term. Okay? I think we'll lead straight back out and get back to the classes. Thank you. Don't leave us out of the group.